Hey guys! Are you on a buy cordless vacuum for car detailing? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 cordless vacuum for car detailing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bokic Cordless Washable HEPA Filter Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Bokic Handheld Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner is one of the best products available. If you want to keep your car interior clean without breaking a sweat, this is the one for you. This product comes with a high-end H12 HEPA filter claimed to filter out 99% of the particles from the air. The best part is that this filter is washable. It has a 2800 mAh battery and has a run time of 30 minutes in a single go. The fast charging helps you get back to your work in no time. It takes 3 to 4 hours to charge its 3 lithium-ion batteries to full. In the package, you get various attachments like a crevice nozzle, a soft hose extension, and a dust brush for better in-depth cleaning. This vacuum cleaner has a carrying capacity of 0.5 liter, which is enough to collect all the crumbs, dirt and other debris all at once. You can use it several times before the time to empty it. Its 6500 PA strong suction hand works well in taking in any garbage inside your car, no matter how small it is. If you have pets, then this product will get your interior rid of all those pet hair in no time. The only drawback this product holds is that it is strictly for dry messes. Now our second product is Shark CH951 XL Vacuum Cleaner. Shark CH951 comes with 2 ultra-powerful cyclonic air streams that offer ultra-powerful suction, a long-lasting filter and motor life. The vacuum cleaner comes with a motorized self-cleaning attachment for incredible pet hair pickup. The brush is detachable, which works well in removing hair wrap from the upholstery, floor, and seats. The dirt collection cup is of XL size, which can help you through your big cleaning jobs without any interruptions. This product is lightweight, easy to clean and store. The filter on this cleaner is washable that screams easy cleanup. You can get rid of dirt buildup in no time. This portable vacuum for car detailing is powered by lithium-ion technology that ensures reliable performance during every usage. If you are someone who creeps out by the thought of touching the collected mess, then this product is your savior. It has a clean touch dirt ejector for simple, hands-free disposal. Apart from this, you get a crevice tool and a scrubbing brush to access hard-to-reach places and remove the stubborn buildups. Our third product is BLACK+DECKER Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you are looking for a versatile cleaner for your automobile, then BLACK+DECKER's Advanced Dustbuster is the one you cannot miss. This lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner is highly powerful. With the help of its cyclonic action, it can easily pick up all sorts of dirt and debris in no time. It comprises a HEPA filter that helps in better cleaning with good suction strength. Its robust motor is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can be charged within a few hours, hold its charge for up to 18 months and deliver high-end performance. You can use this wireless vacuum to remove hair, dirt and debris from the seats, carpets, and hard-to-reach places easily. It comes with a 180-degree rotating slim nozzle that effortlessly fits into tight spaces at various angles. There is also a crevice tool that makes the hard-to-reach places easily accessible. The dirt bowl is translucent and backless, which gives you convenient garbage disposal. Furthermore, it is completely washable. You also get a flip-up brush that helps in better cleaning the upholstery region. Lastly, this handheld cordless cleaner is a must for every car owner who wants good maintenance of your ride. Now number 4, Bissell AutoMate Handheld Auto Vacuum. AutoMate by Bissell is another excellent cordless handheld vacuum cleaner you can buy. This product holds one of the biggest dustbin capacities of about 0.7 liters. This device is designed to offer in-depth car cleaning. It is powered by a 14V lithium-ion battery and comes with various exclusive car detailing tools. You get a motorized brush that helps in removing embedded dirt and debris, a LED crevice tool that illuminated hard-to-see messes, and a flexible crevice tool that cleans well in hard-to-reach or tight spaces. Doesn't matter if you have pet hair, food spill, or small crumbs all over your interior, this vacuum cleaner can help you. Also, its triple-level filtration enhances its cleaning performance. This device works for about 20 minutes on a single charge but takes around 4 to 6 hours to charge, which is quite annoying. But overall, this product is lightweight, easy to handle, can accommodate a large amount of debris, holds good suction power, and is easy to clean. And our last choice is BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Pivot Vac Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The final product on our list is BLACK+DECKER Gray-Colored Cordless Vacuum Cleaner powered by lithium technology. It comes with a dirt bowl of capacity 15 ounces and holds strong suction and fade-free power. Its pivoting nozzle can bend up to 200 degrees, making it easy to clean those hard-to-reach places. It works with cyclonic action, which spins dirt and dust away from the filter and ensures the suction power does not get affected. The dirt bin is bagless, and you can even empty it by opening it from the side. There is no need for you to touch all that filth. Both the dirt bin and filter are washable. Just put them under the running water in the sink, and you are good to go. This vacuum cleaner comes with a charging base that offers better placement and safe charging. Lastly, you get a 2-year warranty from the makers to get the complete worth of your money. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.